So we come to another concept called function actually. So function we use in JavaScript a lot, in React.js a lot, in Node.js, anywhere we use functions. In Java also we use functions. So function, what do you mean by a function? Function is nothing but which is used to perform a well-defined task, a specified task, a well-defined task. Okay, so we do in real life we do many functions, marriage function, children function, so many birthdays, this that and all. So there are so many return gifts we are getting. Okay, so many things we are doing with this function and all. So function is nothing but, suppose if you take example function user. So first initially we don't have any parameters inside the user, and inside and outside. So the opening brace, closing brace, block of code. So in this we'll write some statements. So if I want to call this function, suppose directly if I call user, then whatever is console.log Hari, if I give that output, will call it as Hari. But suppose in this user, if I am passing some one parameter 10 value, then what will happen? That number one will get assigned to 10 value, and if I am giving console.log number one, I'll get the output as 10. It will return some value, and based on that we'll perform the action. Function is nothing but it will return some value, and based on that it will perform some action. So here if you see, I'm returning something here. Function user number one, return number one plus 5. So for that number parameter which we are giving, for that number we are adding some 5 value. So we are declaring output equal to user 10, suppose. In that we are passing the parameter as 10. So in that number one value 10 will be passed, and in the return statement what will happen? In the return statement 10 plus 5, 15. So console.log output will be 15.